Emerendima o, emerendima, emerendima, emerendima. Emerendima means that what you've done is good. What you've done is good. What you've done is good, even when it doesn't make sense. Even when I can't explain it, what you've done is good. Emeretima. We don't worship God because He's rosy. We find strength in the place of worship. That's something worship does for us. We find our convictions, we are reassured in the place of worship. We are able to think back, we are able to look in gratitude, and we can say, Emeredimao. Emeredimao. Emeredima. Emeredimao. Emeredimao. Emeredima. Emeredima. 'Cause now you they hold me up. Now you they hold me up. That you never let me go. That now your hands they hold me up. Now you they hold me up. You never let me fall. 'Cause he meredimao kanosu talibaya do setelia. Oh, he meredimao. He meredima. Yes. He meredima.